So we're in a town, no? Hirap i-pronounce. Szentendre Church. There's a church there. Now that we're planning to go. This place, Labyrinthus. This is a resto. The town is Szentendre. Okay. Uy, may mga bags sila, oh. What is this place? That is the historical. Yeah. Okay. Come back, ha? Ano yung store niya? Handmade. What are these? Handmade bags? Oh. Another souvenir shop. This is the name of the town, no? Szentendre. 30 minutes away from Budapest. Okay. Oh, there's a kalo. There's a kalo. Ito. Ito, magkano kaya ito siya? Yeah.
How much? How much?
Price tag? I think there's a price tag.
25,000 for it.
Euro? In euro, how much is that in euro?
65.
65 euro. This is leather? 65 euro? Huh?
It's still big fine.
The shops of Szentendre. Ano yung museum mo? There's a pizza stop.